First thing we're going to want to do for this problem is find the derivatives for each term. We have 1 term, 2 terms, 3 terms, 4 terms. For our first term, we have to remember the power rule. It's going to be 5 times 3 equals 15. 3 minus 1 equals 2. So this derivative is going to be 15x squared. And then for our next one, 4 elevated to 0 is just going to be 0. And then, so this would just be 0. For the 4x, in respect to x, it would be 4y because x equals 1, and we don't really have to write down the 1. We can just assume it's already there. And then for in respect to y, it would be 4x dy dx because the derivative for y is going to be dy dx. For our third term, it would just be 2 dy dx. Again, the derivative of y is dy dx. And then for our last term, it's going to be 0 because e elevated to pi is going to be 0. Combining these together, it's going to look like this. 4y plus 4x dy dx equals 2 dy dx. Okay. And because we have a minus right here, we need to remember it's technically -1. We're going to want to distribute. It's going to look like 15x minus 4y minus 4x dy dx equals 2 dy dx. And we're going to want to move like terms together. So we're going to want all the dy dx on this side and everything else on this side. So -15x2 plus 4y minus 2 dy dx. Same thing over here. x2 plus 4y minus 2 dy dx. And we're going to get -4 dy dx minus 2 dy dx, which equals -15x2 plus 4y. And we're going to want to factor out the dy dx's. So we're going to get dy dx times -4 minus 2, which equals -15x2 plus 4y. And we're going to want to divide this. -4, we forgot the -4x, -4x minus 2 times -4x minus 2 is going to look like this. But we can continue simplifying by factoring out and canceling the -1s, which is going to be dy dx equals 15x2 minus 4y over 4x minus or plus 2. And this is going to be our final answer.